Now, Ugandan President Yoweri Museveni is determined to sustain his reign as his campaign for the 2016 general election heats up. Over the weekend, Museveni took his campaigns to Mbarara town in western Uganda. We'll hear the details from our Ugandan TV partner, NBS.
Donning yellow t-shirt with the president's portrait, the supporters chanted songs in praise of Museveni, vowing to ensure his return to State House come election day. Utafire, as the chief walker, led the procession through Mbarara, bringing the town to a temporary standstill. The members of parliament used the opportunity to connect with the electorate through faith. The chief guest, Utafire, rebuked Amama Mbabazi for harboring intentions of contesting against President Museveni. He told the gathering that the party is overjoyed with the departure of Amama Mbabazi because he was the stumbling block to their victory in the forthcoming elections. Utafire said Mbabazi is both unreliable and incompetent to run the country and the party.
He failed to observe the very rules he himself set when he was Secretary General. So our request, our demand was he goes by the rules he himself said. If he can't go by the rules, then he does what he has done, quit the party.
He has left it intact. That the efforts he had made to interfere with the progress of the party has now come to an end.
We appreciate what President Museveni has done for the country.
So as Ankole region, we have come here to show our support to him, that we are still with him, we shall vote for him.
This report was compiled by Ambrose Muhumuza, NBS Sunset.